The vMeasure Pallet Ultima captures dimensions, weight, barcode, and image of any palletized freight, including overhangs, in under 2 seconds. Here's how it captures pallet measurements in real time. The system displays the measurement screen with a defined region of interest. This is the designated area where the pallet must be placed for accurate capture. Place the palletized shipment within the ROI and click the Measure button. The system automatically captures dimensions, weight, barcode, and images. Protrusions larger than 10 centimeters are automatically detected and included in the measurement. The system may show a scan failure if pallets are positioned outside the ROI or blocked by objects within 10 centimeters. To resolve it, recenter the pallet, clear the surroundings, and retry. See vMeasure Pallet Ultima in action deploy across customer sites. Deployed across leading warehouses, vMeasure Pallet Ultima streamlines pallet measurement with integrated stretch wrappers for synchronized, automated operation. Automate your pallet dimensioning with vMeasure Pallet Ultima. Fast, accurate, and reliable dimensioning for every shipment.